Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well. So today is a request video. You may have seen on my recent giveaway video, which is still currently going on, that I was asking people for suggestions of what videos they'd like to see in the future, and I've had quite a few of you state that you would like to see some stiletto nails and also more polygel videos. So that is what I'm going to do today. I have never ever sculpted a set of stiletto nails before. Back when I first started doing YouTube, I used to do some nail art on like the full cover stiletto tips simply because of the size, but I've never actually done a full set of stiletto nails, and I'm not personally a fan of stiletto nails. They're not for me. I have never once in my life worn a set of stiletto nails. I'm a ballerina coffin type girl. They're just not for me. They kind of scare me. They're very pointy, and I just prefer the look of ballerina and coffin nails sort of. And like, I do my nails sort of square, they're shorter. At the minute it's just my natural nails. They look horrible, but I haven't got around to doing them yet. But yeah, this is just my preference. So that's why I haven't really seen like stiletto nails on my channel. It's just because I'm not a huge fan of them, and I find it very hard to look at them and enjoy them, if that makes sense. But today I'm going to give it my first shot. I'm going to try my best to try and sculpt some stiletto nails. Hopefully they come out okay. I'm going to be using polygel to sculpt them, and I'm also going to be encapsulating some flowers and some glitter, as that has been some other requests that I've had. And yeah, I'm looking forward to sort of trying to do more videos that you guys would like to see. It's nice to hear your opinions and know what sort of videos you guys would like to see, so thank you so much for your help. I'm going to crack on and I'm going to attempt to do a set of nails. Just a sort of like word of warning, nail forms do not stick to my silicone hand, so I sort of have to use a bit of sellotape to sort of hold them on there, so please don't come at me for that. That's not something I would do on an actual hand. It's just the stickiness of the forms do not stick to my silicone. I don't know why, but that's just the way it is. So yeah, if you see me using sellotape to stick my forms onto my hand, then that's why, just simply because like the stickiness of like the bit that sort of goes around here just doesn't stick to the hand, so that is why I'm using sellotape. And also, as for filing, I know you guys have been asking about shaping of nails, so I'm going to try and do a little bit of filing on camera, but because you guys are literally like so close to where I film, like my setup, my camera's literally a couple of inches from the surface, like it's really not far away at all, and it's quite an expensive camera and I really do not want to be getting loads of dust in it, so I will do a little bit of filing on camera, but I'm not going to sit here and file all the nails on camera just simply because I do not want dust getting into my camera. I really hope you understand that, but my setup is the way it is and it's the best I can do. So yeah, I do apologise for that, but I'm not risking my camera for filing, so I hope you guys understand. But anyways, I'm going to stop waffling and crack on, and yeah, wish me luck everyone. I hope you enjoy it. If you do, please remember to like and subscribe. Yeah, much love everyone, bye.
Perfect!